Hi friends! Hola mis amigos and welcome back or bienvenido a Playgarden Prep Online. My name is Miss Canitra, o en español, Señorita Canitra. And today we will be learning some letter U or letra U, words in Spanish o en español. I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up, we have 2 fingers on a drum roll, please. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. And umbrella in Spanish is paraguas. Paraguas. Your turn. Paraguas. Umbrella in Spanish is paraguas. Umbrella in Spanish is paraguas. Umbrella shield us from the rain. Umbrella in Spanish is paraguas. Paraguas. Umbrella. Umbrella. O en español. Paraguas. Next we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Uniform. Uniform. Uniform starts with the letter U. And uniform in Spanish is uniforme. Uniforme. Your turn. Uniforme. Uniform in Spanish is uniforme. Uniform in Spanish is uniforme. We wear uniforms for sports. Uniform in Spanish is uniforme. Uniforme. Uniform. Uniform. O en español. Uniforme. And last up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Underwear. Underwear. Underwear starts with the letter U. And underwear in Spanish is ropa interior. Ropa interior. Your turn. Ropa interior. Underwear in Spanish is ropa interior. Underwear in Spanish is ropa interior. We wear underwear under our clothes. Underwear in Spanish is ropa interior. Ropa interior. Underwear. Underwear. O en español. Ropa interior. Wow, friends, we learned 1, 2, 3, o 1, 2, 3 palabras en español today. Let's review. Umbrella, o en español, paraguas. Umbrella shield us from the rain. Uniform, o en español, uniforme. We wear uniforms for sports. Underwear, o en español, ropa interior. We wear underwear under our clothes. Thank you, gracias, for learning and speaking Spanish with me today. Hasta la vista. I'll see you next time.